Hi, Linda here. Just another quick tip regarding making the most of your bits of paper and cardstock. So I'm just going to turn this around and I'm going to show you how I piece together a page. Okay, so I've got two strips, they're 4.5 by 12-inch strips of cardstock, which I'm going to make into a 12 by 12 page. Now, the easiest way to make sure you get the measurement is to put a 12-inch ruler down the side and align the bottom and the top of the two pieces of the cardstock with the edges of the ruler, and then your coloured cardstock just fits in the middle. There you go, and you just glue it on. Simple. And then you make sure you will always have if you don't move it while you're doing it, you'll always have a 12 by 12 page, or whatever size page you're working on. Of course, you could do 8 by 8 or whatever, but the 12-inch ruler really helps. You just leave it on your work mat and you can just make sure you get the right size. So, hope that helps you, and happy scrapping. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.